Hi everyone, it's Luxury Kids here. We like to eat out, but we can make healthy food at home. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a Thai dish with noodles and chicken. Our ingredients for today are lime, chicken, onion, garlic, and our seasonings are sugar and fish sauce, and this will be cooked over noodles. And if you want it to be spicy, you can add some red pepper. My dad taught me how to cook, so we don't use measurements like cups, tablespoons, and teaspoons. We just use however much we want. So first, I like the chicken to be in long strips. I like the garlic diced and the onions chopped. My other spices are ginger, lemongrass, hot peppers, and basil. I'm going to put the ginger, lemongrass, and hot peppers on first to get a strong flavor. Okay. Before you start, make sure to turn the handle sideways. This is so that if you bump, you don't bump it and the food doesn't spill out and burns you. So first, you're going to turn the burner on low. About right there. And now, we're going to put the chicken on. Now add the remaining of the ingredients. Onion, garlic, squeeze in the lime, add some sugar, some fish sauce, and some roasted hot pepper powder. Now saute this for 5 minutes, and then put a lid on it. And steam it for 15 minutes. Now while it's steaming, you're going to prepare the noodles. So put the noodles in a bowl and fill it with hot water. Now you're going to let them sit for only 5 minutes because you don't want them too soft. Our chicken has been steaming for 15 minutes. Now we're going to add the noodles and fry them until they're crispy. We've drained the noodles. Now we're going to fry them.
Go.
So now you're going to fry the noodles for about 7 minutes and turn them over to get each side.
Go.
Our noodles are done. Now it's time to serve them. This is a good meal to serve with fruit. And you can also add other vegetables like beans. Let's see what it tastes like. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.